welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about generative AI and the project on generative AI which I have completed recently. Uh, Coming to generative AI, it is a type of artificial intelligence that can create a wide variety of data such as images, audio, text, and 3D models. It does this by learning patterns from existing data. And some tools of generative AI are ChatGPT, DAL-E, Midjourney, deep brain, synthesia, etc. And they are used to produce various type of outputs. For example, ChatGPT is used to produce text as output, and for the image generation, we can use Midjourney and DALL-E, and for video and speech generation, we can use deep brain and synthesia. And these are the tools of the generative AI. Some of the tools of the generative AI, and coming to my project, this is similar to ChatGPT, which I have built using Google Colab, OpenAI, PlayHD, Hugging Face, and Gradio. Uh, Coming to Google Colab, it is a cloud-based platform by Google designed for running and sharing Jupyter notebooks. And OpenAI, it is an AI-based chat service powered by OpenAI's language model. In PlayHD, it is used for voice cloning using artificial intelligence. The platform uses a deep learning model to train a voice clone that sounds almost exactly like the original voice. In Hugging Face, it is an organization known for its popular library, providing easy access to pre-trained models and natural language processing tools. Gradio, it is an open source library for building and sharing customizable web interfaces for machine learning models. And LangChain is a library for building and training language models. And you can see my code here for my chatbot, which I have built using Python language. All this is because of Nxtwave's workshop, which is recently conducted by Rahul Attuluri sir, CEO of the Nxtwave. And let's look at the chatbot here. As you can see here, using the prompt, it will take, and we can get the output using the prompt. It is as similar as ChatGPT. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.